Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Academy Master. So today we are going to do a class 9 mathematics chapter 8 exercise 8.1 question number 3 onwards. So those who have not watched my previous video introduction on chapter 8, please you can visit the channel Academy Master and you can watch the videos, first introduction videos, and then you can come to this video so that you can have a clear understanding of the concepts. Okay, now dear students, let us move on to the question number 3. So what does question number 3 says? Question number 3 says that show that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at a right angle, then it is a rhombus. So they are telling that there is one quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral we have a diagonal AC and BD, so they are bisecting each other. Since they are bisecting each other, so this quadrilateral we have to prove that it is a rhombus. We are going to prove that. Okay. So let's assume that, okay, we are going to assume let A, B, C, D be a rhombus. Okay, let A, B, C, D be a rhombus. We have assumed it, whose diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at what? At right angle. Okay dear students, at right angles. So they are bisecting each other at right angles. Okay, that means this angle and this angle is 90 degree. All these angles will be 90 degree. Fine. So if like these things are there, then what will happen? Then therefore AO, since they are bisecting each other, bisecting means what? Dividing into two equal parts. So AO will be equals to OC. AO equals to OC and OD equals to OB. Got it? So we have written that, and they are bisecting at each other at right angle, so angle also will be 90 degree. Then what will be the angle? AOD will be equals to COD equals to AOB equals to COB equals to 90 degree. Okay dear students, so we have mentioned these things. Now what we are going to prove, what they have asked us to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, so they have asked us to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. So under what conditions we can prove that ABCD is a rhombus? We can prove that ABCD is a rhombus only when all the sides are proved to be equal. Then only we can say that ABCD is a rhombus. So for that, let's start the proof. Okay, so here we'll be writing proof. So in proof, first one we will be taking it in triangle. We are taking triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Got it? We are taking triangle AOD and triangle BOC. So in these two, what we are going to do, see here what things are same. In triangle AOD, AO, and in triangle BOC, OC is same. So AO equals to OC. Why it is equal? Because it is given. Okay, next what we can say? We can say OD is equals to OB. Why? Do same reason, it is also given. Next what it is? Next it is angle AOD equals to angle BOC. Why? Each 90 degree. Okay students, so you can pause the video and take it down quickly. Okay, so if it is see, we have proved the three things in a triangle is equal. So that means pakka that triangle is what? Triangle AOD, it will be congruent to triangle BOC. By which congruency theorem? By SAS. Okay, got it? And if that is the case, then what will happen? if it is like this, if they are congruent, then side AD will be equals to side BC. So you can pause the video and take it down, dear students. I am roughing it. Okay, so all of you have to understand properly, watch the videos properly. Okay, and don't forget to share with your friends. If you get help from it, definitely let your friends also get help from it. Okay, fine. So if these two triangles are what, congruent, then pakka AD will be equals to BC. Equation number 1. Okay, now again what we will take in triangle, now we are going to take in triangle AOB and triangle AOB and triangle COD. Triangle COD. So similarly here also AO will be equals to OC, and another thing is BO will be equals to OD. So both are given, so we will write it here, given, do. And similarly angle AOB will be equals to angle COD. Why? Each 90 degree. So what will happen? Triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle COD. By which theorem? By SAS. Then what will happen? Then what will be the result of it? AB will also, this side also it will be equals to this side, CD. Okay, got it? This is your equation number 2. So we have proved AD is equals to BC and AB equals to CD. We have proved it, but we are asked to prove that all these three sides are equal. So for that we will be taking some more triangles for the proof. All of you can take it down, pause the video and take it down. I will clear the board. Okay, now we will be taking again you will be taking triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Okay, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC. So what will happen? Again AO will become equals to OC, and AO will be becoming equals to AO will become equals to OC, and OB will be common. OB equals to OB, it's common. This one is given and this one is common sides. Then next what it is? Angle AOB equals to angle COB. Why it is equal? Each 90 degree. Then next what will happen in the next step? That is triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. By which property? SAS. Therefore you will see AB will become equals to BC. Equation number 3. So dear students, pause the video and take it down quickly. I hope you are understanding. It is very simple. Okay, next moving on. In the next part, one more we have to prove. After that it will be okay, and let us write these equations 1, 2 and 3 here. So I am just writing it. AD equals to BC, this is equation number 1, and AB equals to, we got CD, equation 2, and finally we are getting AB equals to BC, this is equation number 3, so that afterwards you don't get confused. Okay. So now what I have to do is I have to take one more triangle, that is in triangle AOD. So we'll take here AOD and triangle COD. So in this also you will see OD equals to OD, that is common. Okay, next what you will be doing? AO equals to OC, given, and then finally you will write angle AOD equals to angle COD, each 90 degree. So what will happen? The triangle AOD will become congruent to triangle COD by which property? SAS. So we have proved it congruent. That means what? Angle AD will become, side AD will become equals to CD. This is your equation number 4. So dear students, now if you look at properly, AD is equals to BC, AB equal to CD, AB equals to BC, AD equal to CD. So that means what? All the sides are becoming what? Equals to each other, right? From 1, 2 and 3 we can say that from equations 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get, from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get what? AB equals to BC, BC equals to CD, CD equals to AD. So all the sides are becoming equal. Okay, so what will happen? So all the sides are equal, therefore what will happen? Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, 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 hence proved. Okay dear students, it is little lengthy questions, but the thing is solution is very simple. You have to understand the concept and then it is very simple, no need to worry. It is little lengthy but very simple question it is. So all of you can pause the video and take down the solutions. Okay dear students, so here we are with question number 4. Question number 4, what does it say? Show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So we have to prove that AC and BD are the diagonal of a square. So we have to prove that they are equal. Okay, first thing we have to prove. Second thing, we have to prove that this AC and BD, they are perpendicular to each other. That means we have to prove that it is a 90-degree angle. Okay, so this is what they are asking us to prove. So first of all, dear students, what we will be doing, first of all we will write here given. So let us start with the given. So we will write here given. What it is given? ABCD is a square. Okay, in square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Okay, so a square in which AC and BD are the diagonal which bisect each other, right? Which bisect each other at which point? At O. So they are bisecting each other at point O. So what we have to prove here, given we have written to prove, we have to prove number 1 that AC is equals to BD. That is what we have to prove. Number 2, what we have to prove? AC is perpendicular to BD. That is what they are telling us to prove. So first of all we have to write those things, and after that this is given. Okay, so if they are bisecting each other, then what will happen? You will see that AO will be equals to OC, BO will be equals to OD. Got it? So this one also it will happen because they are bisecting each other. Okay, fine. So what we will be doing, first of all we are going to take a triangle. We are going to prove. So proof, we will take a triangle. Let us take a triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle, so here you have to write in triangle ABC ABC and triangle ABD. We are taking triangle ABD. So see here, in these two, triangle ABC and triangle ABD, one thing is for sure. What is that? AB is equals to AB. Okay, that is common. AB is coming in both the triangle ABD and ABC also. So fine. Next, what we are going to do, next it is AB will be equals to AD. Why it is equal? AB equals to AD because it is a side of a square. Side of square. So side of squares are what? Equal. Next, what we will be doing is ABC and triangle BAD. So in these two, one angle is equal. What is that angle? So you will say that angle ABC is equals to angle BAD. Why? Because each angle of a square is 90 degree. So each is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So if three things are equal, then therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle ABD. By which property? By SAS. Okay. Next, what we will be doing? If this is congruent, then pakka this AC and BD will be equal. So you will write here AC is equals to BD. So this is what they have asked us to prove in equation number 1. The first proof is done. AC is equals to BD. So dear students, pause the video and copy it down. After that, we will be proceeding to the second part of the answer. Okay. Hope you are enjoying it and you are learning it. Okay, don't simply copy it down. It will not be at all helpful. Try to understand the explanations. Okay, and if you have any doubts or any things to be asked, then please follow me in my Facebook page. You can like the Facebook page and you can ask your doubts there. Kumar sir. Okay, the Facebook page name is Kumar sir. Okay, so the second part of the questions we are going to do now. Okay, so the second part of the questions, what we will be so sorry, we have to take it again. Okay, so in the second part we will be doing what? In triangle AOB and triangle AOD, we will be taking like this. So in this you will see in both this triangle AOD and AOB, AO is common. AO equals to AO, common it is. Next, second point, what it will be? AB will be equals to what? AB will be equals to AD, sides of a triangle, sides of a square. Okay. Next, what it will be? Angle, you will see that in AOB and in triangle AOD. Okay, two things we have proved equal. OB equals to OD. So we also know that OB is equals to what? OD. Why? Because the lines are bisected, so it is given. Okay, fine. So if three things we have proved it equal, then triangle AOB becomes congruent to triangle AOD. By which congruency property? SSS. So if they are congruent, then pakka you will see that angle AOD will be equals to angle BOA. Okay, this one has to be equal. Okay, but okay, fine. Next, what we will be doing now, if I add this angle, see AOD and angle AOB, so it will be giving us equals to what? 180 equals to 180. Why? Linear pair. So it will be linear pair. Sum of the two angles, it will be equals to 180 degree, these two angles. Okay, So these two are equal, so in place of this we can write AOD, and in place of BOA we can write AOD equals to 180 degree. So if you sum it up, then angle AOD, twice of angle AOD will be equals to 180. That is, angle AOD will be equals to 180 divided by 2, which is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOD equals to angle BOA equals to 90 degree. So that is what they are asking us to prove. So this angle is what? 90 degree. Hence we will write AC is perpendicular to BC. Proved. Got it, dear students? So these are the two questions which we will be covering up in today's videos. In the next videos I will be covering up the remaining questions. Dear students, I don't want to make a lengthy videos because you also will be finding it difficult to watch. Okay, so short videos for 1, 2 questions, 3 questions, 4 questions. We will be doing it like this. Slowly we'll finish it up these chapters. Okay, so for that you have to do one thing, that is you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video you will get a notifications. Okay, dear students, and one more thing you have to do is you should, if you feel that this video is helpful to you, you are learning a little bit of it, then don't forget to share the videos with as much as friend you can, so that they also can get the benefit of these videos. Thank you so much, dear students. Keep on studying. Okay.